11845 with M&M Equipment Corp. Here we have a Fatosa C75 Bowl Cutter, all stainless steel construction, with a 75-liter capacity bowl. Freshly sharpened blades. Very nicely designed cover for it. Now this has variable knife speeds, as you can see here for the blades, and then as well as the bowl, you have 3 different speeds. So first we'll start with blades. And then we'll start the bowl. Turn it up. Here we'll show you the variable blade speeds and the bowl speeds as well. Start with the blades. Set at 750. Bowl. The bowl turns at 255. And then we can also turn it up. So you bump up to 1500. Turn it up to 3. Five. Turn it back down. Lid. We can stab it. Have the digital control panel as you see, the safety interlocks with the enclosed cutting area. It's also mounted on adjustable feet. All powered up 480 volts, 3-phase. Again, this is item number 11845 with M&M Equipment Corp.